Okay, what's up, guys? So I replaced the toothpick on the Swiss on the Swiss Army knife with a ferrous serum rod from Firefly. I think they're on Kickstarter, and anyways, Swiss Army knives have a bevel on 90-degree bevel on the spine of the saw, so it's easy to strike fire steels. Closer to. And I tried to light some wood chips with it earlier, but can't light it. So if you don't have fire tinders that are very flammable, then probably won't get a fire going. But got some redhead fire tinders from a fire store. I blew it out on purpose from a grocery store in Australia, right, very easily, but the fire steel won't. Regular wood shavings just won't light. Okay, thanks for watching.